Hey everyone, it's Audrey and Victoria here. Today we're talking how to do a basic ponytail tutorial. Victoria, you have the perfect ponytail. Turn to the side now so we can see this. This is a perfect ponytail. We're gonna show you how to do it. Basic ponytail tutorial. All right, so this is how you do a basic ponytail tutorial. Ponytail is probably one of the easiest styles of all. I love it because it works on any person of any age. I'm just gonna take Victoria's hair and I'm just gonna brush it through. And again, I use this brush because it has the ionic and the boar bristles, and her hair is very long. It can get very knotty and just gets a lot of tangles. So this brush works beautiful on her. Now she has clean hair, and what I love about a ponytail, because I know this from my hair, sometimes the dirtier your hair, the better, because the oils just really help it stay into place. But I'm just gonna show you again how to do a basic ponytail. So you just brush all the hair together, go underneath, make sure you go on the sides, both the sides, because you want it to look the same all around, and then just go right on top. Victoria, can you put your head up just a little bit? There we go.
I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to make a ponytail.
I hope so, but if they don't, we're showing them. So again, you brush all around the top, all around the bottom. I don't know if Dad does. And then you're gonna take an elastic band. I just get them at Goody. And then you're gonna simply secure the hair into place. I always go 3 times around, and we're gonna just pull it through just like that. And then what I do too at the end of her ponytail is I always take my brush one more time and I just brush down just to get it super smooth. And then one thing I love to do, because I do on my hair as well, is I just do a quick little tug right there, and you have just a basic ponytail tutorial. The side looks the same as the other side. The top looks smooth. You can use some product, hairspray, gel, just to keep it into place. But
or you could
there you
also
go.
put a bow on it.
You could put a bow on it. Love that idea.